Okay, I just hope that I'm in focus. You can do it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Itzel. If you're new here, well, I hope you like it and you stay and you subscribe and become part of this community that I'm trying to build. As you can see on my previous videos, my channel has been kind of all over the place. So I decided to kind of take a step back, relax, and decide what focus I wanted to give this channel. I am on a mission to empower women to become the best versions of themselves, physically, emotionally, and financially. So that is going to be my main focus on this channel. I am very excited to do this. This is kind of like a channel relaunch. So if you are a woman and you want to become the best version that you can be, go ahead and stick by. Whether you want to lose weight, you want to gain weight, or you just want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, or if you just want to know how to become a boss lady and, you know, take life by the horns, then stick by. I will be posting videos once a week. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button and let's go ahead and start with today's video. So in today's video, I want to talk about 5 reasons why your strict dieting is not working. If you are one of the millions of people that want to go on a diet starting this year, I do have a word of advice for you. Don't. You might lose weight on the short term, but the chances of keeping the weight off for 5 or 6 years are kind of 5% to none. When you do gain that weight back, people are going to kind of blame you, and so will you. Reason number 1 is you aren't eating enough. So your body needs calories to keep your metabolism going. When you eat under 1200 calories a day, your metabolism kind of slows down so that it's able to hold on to those precious calories. Besides, you wouldn't be eating enough to get the nutrients that your body needs. Reason number 2, you are skipping meals. When you skip meals, your body kind of loses the ability to feel full. For example, if you skip breakfast, your body's gonna think that there's no food around your house. You need a morning meal to let your body know that it is okay to start burning the calories. Otherwise, it will go into starvation mode and it won't burn calories and you will start storing fat. Reason number 3, strict diets are very hard to follow. So if you're used to eating a lot of food and then suddenly you don't, you're kind of going to crash. You'll then probably start eating more than you were before and you'll end up doubling up the weight. So that hard sacrifice that you did for a week or 2 will just go to waste. Reason number 4, you are going carb free. A 0 carb diet is very hard to achieve, and it is not sustainable because it is not good for the body. Our bodies need carbs. They are the main source of energy. And reason number 5, you're going fat free. Completely. Fat. Don't be scared of it. Fat doesn't directly make you fat. The excess of calories make you fat. You just need to balance and find the healthy fats that you need. Healthy fats are essential for energy storage, proper functioning of nerves and brain, and maintaining a healthy skin and other tissues. So if you want to lose weight, you definitely don't go that route. Do not stop eating. A healthy, active lifestyle does not deprive you from eating, so it will be very easy to stick to it. So if you're dieting and it's not working, this is why. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so that I know what kind of content you will be liking. And I would really like to hear from you. So go ahead and comment down below which one of these 5 things you have done, if not all of them. And of course, if you learned something from this video. I will be uploading videos every Tuesday, so go ahead and click on that little bell button so that you can go ahead and get notified every time that I upload a video. Let's go ahead and be friends. Open the description box where I have all the links to my social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.